What is up, bread gang? How are y'all doing tonight, today, whatever the hell time it is where you're at? I'm on my Barstool pizza review vibes today. That is what we're doing. We are doing a review, another 2-minute restaurant review coming at you guys right now. We are at, if you can see back there, it's probably not gonna focus, Big Pie in the Sky Pizzeria, somewhere in Georgia. I have no idea where we're at. Let's go inside and check it out. I've heard the slices are huge and I'm really excited. I'm really hungry. So let's run inside and test out some pizza. Big Pie in the Sky. We do sweet tea rating because that's the most important thing. Overall meal, and then my favorite part. So sweet tea could have been better. It's not the worst, not the best. Probably like a 6.5. Yeah, I mean that's what I would give it. 6.5. They were running a little low on sweet tea, so I mean that factors in. The slices are really thin, really big. I mean, you kind of got a preview of that on the little cinematics that I did. It was actually really good. I enjoyed it. Pizza as a whole, probably what, 7.7? I'm going 7.7. It was solid. I'm a tough judge, you know that, tough judge. And my favorite part, you know, they got the buffalo chicken pizza. That was my favorite part. You know, 9.5 on the what? It was solid. So if you're ever in the area, try it out. It's pretty good. You guys know how it is. 2-minute reviews. I don't know if it came. What? I'm losing my train of thought. Let's jump into the video.
That's what I'm talking about.
What is up, bread gang? How are y'all doing today? We're back again here in Augusta, Georgia with another video. Got my main man, JW Montoya, behind the camera. Y'all can see by the thumbnail, y'all can see by the title. Today is all about the gas trucks. Are the gas trucks better than the Duramaxes? That's what we're talking about today. Me personally, I'm a gas truck guy. I love gas trucks. I really want a Duramax, to be honest, but I'm gonna keep the gas truck for a long time, and I'm gonna get into why and just kind of go over the pros and cons between both. Me personally, again, I really think gas trucks are better. I've driven gas trucks my whole life. I've never owned a Duramax, and a lot of you out there, I know not everybody can get a Duramax. Not everybody's gonna ever get a chance to get one, especially as their first vehicle. I didn't have that opportunity, and I think letting some of you guys know that the gas trucks out there, we support you. We're here for you. The big people in the gas truck game, we're taking over, and I'm here on YouTube in front of the bread gang, in front of you guys, to tell you that gas trucks are cool. We're gonna make them cool again. So if you're not already, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I know so many people that view these videos aren't actually subscribed, so please, it would mean so much to me. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Join the bread gang, the biggest group of people ever assembled to get this bread. I even got the shirt on today. Huge shout out to my beautiful girlfriend for getting me the Let's Get This Bread shirt. I love it so much. You're the best. So we're kind of gonna be talking about 3 main things today, and I will get some input from JW back there about the Duramax side of it. The 3 main points we're gonna talk about today are look and appearance. Obviously that's a huge one. That is probably the most important thing to everybody. 2 is going to be performance, so gas, how it rides, stuff like that. And 3 is gonna be maintenance. So that's a big one. And as far as cost goes, maintenance is one of the biggest ones. But the first one we're gonna jump into today is the look and appearance. Now, as far as look and appearance goes, you got your gas truck here, your Duramax over there. The body styles, most of you are Chevy guys, I'm assuming. But, you know, even I got my Ford and my Dodge guys that watch the videos. The look and appearances of the trucks, that's completely gonna be personal preference. I mean, even with the older body style trucks, so most of your older, like round bodies and cat eyes, they came in both, but you know, they do have their small subtle differences. Now, as far as fitment goes and lifts and stuff like that, from what I can tell in the research I've done, all of the gas truck parts are cheaper. The lift kits are cheaper, the sizes that you want, so like your 7-inch kit or your 9-inch kit for a gas truck versus your 9-inch kit for a Duramax. for one, is definitely a big plus because people want to build it cheaper. Point number 2, performance. There are a lot of things you can do to a Duramax. You can delete them. You can, I mean, y'all drop some stuff in the comments. There's a lot of stuff. I know there's a lot of stuff you can do to a Duramax. There's a lot of easy stuff that you can do to gassers that you don't have to spend the big money. Now, number 2 and 3 kind of go together, but they're in different, I would still put them in different categories. Performance-wise, gas trucks, I don't want to say they're easier to make faster, and again, correct me if I'm wrong, but there's not a lot of stuff that you have to do to them. I mean, you can put an intake on them, you can, and you can twin turbo anything, you can put turbos on anything, but ride quality and maintenance kind of go together. I mean, the aftermarket parts and they all kind of go together. One thing I know for sure that with your Duramax people, as soon as you buy a Duramax, what's the first thing you think of? Is you're gonna have to do injectors or head gasket or C4, C3 pump or lift pump or something. There's always something. As soon as you buy a Duramax, you're having to spend money. A gas truck is literally, you hop in, you turn the key, you go. I mean, your gas trucks don't have a lot of problems unless you start doing big stuff like this, where you're having gear issues or something like that. Your gas trucks are literally, you hop in, you go. I mean, there's so many little things that you need. The maintenance on Duramaxes is ridiculous. The gas is more expensive. It seems like money-wise, it's way out of the realm of something a normal person would want to deal with. I mean, unless you're like us and you like to spend that money and make it big and make it nice, the Duramax really, to me, isn't worth it. You're spending way more money. You're gonna get more power, but I mean, unless you're out street racing every day, it's just kind of cool to show off to your friends sometimes, but that's it. I mean, that's kind of what it is now. But the gas trucks, there's no maintenance. You do your oil changes, you do your balance and rotations, you check your fluids, you're done. Your diesels, you got so much more to deal with, and I know a lot of you out there are not gonna wanna deal with that, and I don't wanna deal with it either, which is why I'm making the video to tell y'all that gas trucks are easy. You have any input for this? The one thing I will give the Duramax is it is more powerful and it does carry the weight of lifts and wheels and tires better. That's definitely one thing I will give to the Duramax. These 1500s aren't made, and the gas trucks aren't made to be big and huge. If you do them right, you won't have any issues, but obviously the Duramaxes are made to have the bigger wheels and tires. But I'm a gas truck owner. I'm biased, obviously. I drive quite possibly the biggest, sexiest gas truck on YouTube. If you know anybody that has a nicer gas truck on YouTube, drop a comment below. I mean, let's go ask a Duramax owner what he thinks of the difference between the two. I mean, as far as normal pros and cons go,
right.
How would you compare gasser to Duramax?
Well, one, if you have a Duramax, dude, I'm on my food stamp because I have a Duramax. It's so expensive.
So for those of you out there that want to have a build that's not regularly having to need attention, you build it, you kind of leave it for a while, a gas truck is definitely the way to go. I mean, hell, on my channel right now, I have literally probably not done too much to my truck in the past, 6 months. I've been doing little stuff here and there, but as far as maintenance and stuff goes, it's very, very simple. You do your oil changes, you do your balance and rotations. To me, having a gas truck is just so much more simple, so much less of a headache. And for a lot of you guys out there, it's gonna be so much easier just to have a gas truck. You get in, you go, you put gas in it. I mean, that's it, You don't have to go use a little green handle and all that crap, That's no fun. The green handle's not fun. Just a quick little comparison video for you guys today. I know a lot of you guys out there drive gas trucks, and I want to make the gas trucks cool again. I know that YouTube and Instagram is all going towards the diesels and the Duramaxes and your Cummins, which are great. You can blow black smoke everywhere. That's fantastic. But starting today, we're making the gas trucks great again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you like this kind of content, if you like the gas truck versus Duramax's content, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Go subscribe to my man, JW Montoya. We're trying to push him to 50K. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys next time. Let's get this bread.